Hi, this is Miss Cox Tech, and today I'm going to show you how to cite sources in Mural. So let's say you're using Mural for research and you're doing a research project that you're publishing. Well, you need to make sure you cite your resources that you used, the sources of your information. So first off, I have a quote here that I grabbed from this website, and let's imagine that my topic is world hunger. So this is the website that I grabbed the quote from. To add this as a source over here, I'm going to make a source section actually. So I'm going to I'll make a little title section and call it sources. And close this. I'm going to just move this down here. I'm going to actually make it even a little smaller. And basically I'm going to make a little section down here where I'll have my different sources. So I'm going to click and drag the little icon here. You click and drag that icon over to Mural, and then let go. It'll load up, and you can get rid of the description if you want. You don't need this whole description. I am going to get rid of the description, and I'm going to save here. This is the title of the website. I think I'm good. Sorry about my dog. So now that I have my source here, and I'd want to do this for each of the websites I used as sources, I actually don't need this whole URL over here. So actually I'm going to double click, and instead of having the URL after the quote, because I already have this linked over here, I'm going to delete the URL, and instead I'm just going to use the title of the website, World Hunger. Okay. And when you have parentheses after a quote, you're going to put the period at the end of the parentheses like that. Now, what does this all mean? Well, this is actually, if I double click, it links it back to the page. So it actually is automatically linked. So we have a source linked, we have this quote, and this quote tells us, hey, this came from the website called World Hunger, which is right here. If you have several websites with the same title, you may want to include more, like this is from Woodstock Sanctuary, so I might add World Hunger Woodstock Sanctuary. Now that would be another way of making sure you're identifying the correct website. Now, what if you wanted to add a picture? Well, let's say I found this picture on Flickr through Creative Commons, so I'm legally able to use it. Well, you can't just click and drag usually. So if I click and drag from here, what'll happen is sometimes it'll add the wrong picture because there are many different pictures. Oh, but this time it worked. So I'm going to pretend it didn't work just in case you have this issue. If that doesn't work, what you can do is go to the drop down over here where it says download/all sizes. Go to the little three dots, and then if you click and drag this one over, this should work as well. So same thing, but if the first one doesn't work, that's the other way to do it. And for this, remember, you just need to make sure you have the creator's name underneath. In this case, the creator is The Factionist, which is correct. Let's see. The Factionist, Ethical Apparel. So that's the whole username, so I'm going to add that actually. The Factionist, Ethical Apparel. And I'm going to delete the description. I don't really want that description. Created by The Factionist, Ethical Apparel. And I don't even think I need the title for this. I don't really want the title. I just want the image. So this is cool because it will automatically link back to the picture as well. So the link's built in. All you need to do is make sure you cite the name of whoever created the image. With that, all your sources need to be cited in the sources section. Images, you should have sorry about the noise in the background. Images should have the creator's name underneath, and after quotes, you can just have the title of the website. Thank you for watching.